Bitcoin investment funds. Bitcoin investment funds, such as exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds, offer a way to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning and managing the cryptocurrency. These funds pool investors' money and invest in Bitcoin on their behalf. Diversification. Funds often hold a diversified portfolio of assets, reducing risk. Professional management. Fund managers make investment decisions on behalf of investors. Fees. Investment funds typically charge management fees, which can eat into returns. Less control. Investors have limited control over the fund's investment decisions. Choosing the right strategy depends on your risk tolerance, time commitment, and investment goals. It's also worth noting that some investors combine multiple strategies to balance risk and potential rewards. Technical analysis. Technical analysis is a method of evaluating investments based on statistical trends and patterns in historical price and volume data. While not foolproof, it can provide valuable insights into potential price movements. Here are some key technical analysis tools used in Bitcoin trading. Candlestick charts. Candlestick charts display price movements over a specified time period. Each candlestick represents the open, high, low, and close prices for that period. Traders use candlestick patterns to identify potential reversals or continuations in price trends. Candlestick chart. Moving averages are calculated by averaging Bitcoin's closing prices over a specific number of periods. Common types include the simple moving average, SMA, and the exponential moving average, EMA. Traders use moving averages to identify trends and potential support and resistance levels. Relative Strength Index, RSI. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100 and is used to identify overbought or oversold conditions. Traders often look for RSI divergence to spot potential trend reversals. Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement levels are horizontal lines drawn on a chart to identify potential support and resistance levels based on Fibonacci ratios. Traders use these levels to find entry and exit points. Fibonacci retracement. Support represents a price level where Bitcoin tends to find buying interest, preventing it from falling further. Resistance is the opposite, indicating a price level where selling pressure may prevent further price increases. Traders use these levels to set stop-loss orders and take profit targets. Technical analysis can be a valuable tool for short to medium-term traders, but it's essential to combine it with other forms of analysis, such as fundamental analysis, for a comprehensive understanding of the market. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating an asset's intrinsic value by analyzing various factors that may affect its price. While Bitcoin is not a traditional asset, fundamental analysis can still provide insights into its long-term potential. Here are some key factors to consider when conducting fundamental analysis for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's adoption and network effects. The more people and businesses that use Bitcoin, the more valuable it becomes. Key metrics to assess include: user adoption. How many people are using Bitcoin for transactions and investments? Merchant acceptance. How many businesses and online retailers accept Bitcoin as a payment method? Network security. The strength of the Bitcoin network, including the number of nodes and miners, can indicate its overall health. Regulatory environment. Regulatory developments can significantly impact Bitcoin's adoption and price. Pay attention to government regulations. Understand the regulatory stance in your jurisdiction and how it may change. Global trends. Monitor global regulatory trends, as they can affect Bitcoin's global reach. Tax implications. Changes in tax treatment of Bitcoin can impact its attractiveness as an investment. Technological development. Bitcoin is built on technology that can evolve over time. Consider upgrades. Research Bitcoin's development roadmap and planned upgrades. Security. Assess the ongoing efforts to improve the security of the Bitcoin network. Scalability. Investigate solutions for scaling Bitcoin to handle more transactions. Macroeconomic factors. Bitcoin's price can be influenced by broader economic trends. Factors to consider include inflation. Bitcoin is often seen as a hedge against inflation, so monitor inflation rates. Economic stability. Economic crises can drive interest in alternative assets like Bitcoin. Market sentiment. Pay attention to market sentiment, as it can impact short-term price movements. Fundamental analysis requires a deep understanding of Bitcoin's ecosystem and the ability to assess the relevance of various factors. It's typically more suitable for long-term investors who believe in Bitcoin's potential as a store of value.